Welcome to Road Notes. This is a special family edition. As you can see, my brother's in the background and my niece is laying on the ground with her friends. So come along with us. We got a nice little weekend for you.
Visitors again in their own rig, of course. We have Leslie's brother here this time, and his girlfriend, and one of the daughters, and two friends, and we're getting ready to cook out, so it should be good. Anything else to say?
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
About this day?
It's an awesome day.
The two brother,
it's clearing up.
Brother and sister.
That's right. It's clearing up.
We almost made it. I see a bright spot right over there.
See? Clearing up.
Bright spot. Bright
It's all
spot.
good.
Clearing up. What
Clearing
was it?
up.
I gotta bleep one out.
I'm still gonna get it. Yeah, almost there. Clean all that up, honey.
Is the best beer. No, I'm joking. It's the best beer ever.
Best beer ever.
I prefer Cigar City, but I mean,
My love mac and cheese.
So we're here with Leslie's back there, and then her brother came with his beautiful new fifth wheel, an Alpine by Keystone, and he agreed to give us a quick tour and a walkthrough of this fifth wheel. So let's go inside. Okay, so here we go. Robert, Leslie's brother. Michelle. Hi. All right, Robert granted us a tour of this, what year is it?
2021 Keystone Alpine.
And what's the length?
322 RL. It is 3610.
36, so almost 37 feet long. And it's obviously living room.
Yep, rear living room. We have the power recliners here with heat and massage.
And that's the good stuff too. Thomas Paine Collection usually makes good stuff.
And then this one over here is a triple sofa, which folds out to a bed, which is nice for when we have company and things of that nature. Over here is our entertainment center.
Love that.
Yep, fireplace. You can have the heat on. Which is nice about this one is you could also adjust the colors on them.
Brightness, look at that.
Everything, and then if you just want it, you know, you just sit here and simply keep going until it goes off.
That's nice.
So it's nice for ambiance too. TV, Bluetooth, stereo, plenty of cabinet space as you can see.
And this kitchen is center island.
One thing we really liked on this one that we didn't have on our own, garbage cans inside here versus leaving them out with kids and dogs.
Right.
We have a residential hood system in here.
Yeah, this thing is so cool. Let's show this again. So it looks like a hood when you have it down, and there's actually storage behind it.
Right.
That is the neatest thing ever. Love it.
Yeah, real nice. We have the convection microwave there.
So convection and an oven.
And this is actually a larger oven than the standard ones. I forget the dimensions or the size of it.
It does look bigger. It sure does.
All Furrion. I tell you, from our last one, the oven fires up like this. You're not sitting there trying to get it lit,
Right.
Double-sided stainless sink. There's our dinner. As you can see, we're having burgers tonight. Letting them thaw out.
Yeah, Robert's also a grill master on the egg.
Yes. Big selling point for us, residential fridge.
Yeah.
We do a lot of camping. We try and camp every 3 to 6 weeks depending on our schedule, and we're going longer and longer. So it was nice to have the residential fridge with the water dispenser inside.
Oh yeah.
That's really nice. Has to no more water bottles or worrying about it, and it also has the ice maker, which is really nice. So when it's just the two of us, it's great. Lasts us the whole trip. Tons of storage.
Yeah,
I mean, we
lot.
can't. Yeah, we can't even fill it all, which is good because otherwise that means we have too much stuff.
Right. I love the colors. So the color of this.
We've been looking for
This
a new
wood panel is
wheel
really
for
nice.
over a year, and one thing I didn't like was I wanted to get away from dark brown
Right.
wood. It's just, I like the floors, no carpet, which is really nice. You know, usually on your slides these
That's
are
right.
carpet,
Mm-hmm.
and they're not, and it's insulated too. So that's really nice.
Okay.
Dogs, kids, all sorts of weather, just cleans right up.
Right.
It has a central vac system, which is even nicer. So that's Michelle's deal. She likes to vacuum, and then we have just a regular Swiffer wet jet to come behind and mop.
Right.
Has the full command center here. We have this switch here works our ceiling fan that we have back there, and then this is great right here. Instant hot water, endless hot water heater.
Nice.
That was such a bonus when we saw this model. We actually picked this up at the Tampa RV show. We have a Max Air up here in the kitchen, all remote control. And what's nice is if we want, we can pull that out and put a third AC unit in, and it'll run right off this command center. So it'll be a straight drop, won't be ducked like the other two ACs.
Okay. So right now we have two ACs in here,
15,
and it's already
15K back there and 13, I think it's 13 or 13.5 in the bedroom.
okay.
But they're all ducked together, so they work together. So I mean, you know how it is. We've been outside all day today, and it's hot. It's nice
hot.
and cool in here right now.
Yeah, I just love this kitchen, and the to have this two-tone from the dark here in the island
Yeah.
to the lighter color. It's really a nice.
What gives it so much room is it's double opposing slides.
Oh, you know what? That's right.
Where you got normally this would be, you
So-
know, your wall would be right here.
Yeah,
This
one
is your
slide here.
out. We got one slide out here.
Ah,
and
yeah.
Where you see the wood is, that is
Yep.
all one slide.
That's right. Oh,
But
okay.
it's interesting, it's a short slide. It's only about the depth of this, where that one's deeper. So it's nice, like today with our campsite, we had to get in around trees and neighbors and stuff.
Okay.
Definitely nice. Easy lift stairs that you saw outside, those are
Mhm.
real nice. Eliminates a lot of the shaking, the central back. And here's our bedroom. There was a couple things on our to-do or our want list that were non-negotiable. We wanted a king-size bed, or I should say I want a king-size bed. Very nice storage underneath.
Oh yeah, nice.
You know, the mattress actually it came with isn't bad. We will be upgrading it
Okay.
to something, but I'm not quite sure what. But has a nice dresser in here. There's actually storage under here.
Mm-hmm.
And this one in here, this is all closet, and this one actually has washer dryer hookup right here. So that we will be installing those
And
after.
the color carried over.
Everything in
right
here.
into
There's
the bedroom.
Yeah, it's either the nice dark gray or the light gray. There's
Nice.
no dark old style wood.
Right.
So, and then you know the washer dryers are nice. It goes right over there. There's the hookups
Oh, yeah.
for. So the whole front cap basically of our fifth wheel is the closet.
Right.
And then of course, you know, the bed, they call it the east-west bed.
Mhm.
You know, it's on its own little slide out there.
Nice.
We actually copied, you saw on the internet on a place called Road Notes, they had these little phone holders here. So we
look at that.
we copied that because with the king
Nice.
bed, you do lose the,
Yes, that's
the
right.
nightstand. So
Sometimes. have good ideas.
Thank God for Leslie. So we have 2 ways to the bathroom. Obviously the hallway, and then this is nice that we shut this at night. Yeah, none.
Nice.
And it's just it transfers over latches when we're going. And then you have some USB charging ports and stuff here.
Very good.
And we also have them under there. You can go see in the shower. It's a full-size shower.
Right.
And it's with that endless hot water heater system, it is just phenomenal. Nice. You do not have to worry about running out of hot water. You don't have to rush or shut it down or anything. We just got back from Georgia where it was cold and we had to give the dog a bath every night, and we were able to do it. The sink. If I had any complaints about this, would just be I like the big cabinets they put there, but going to the sink, you kind of got to lead in. But it's a small price to pay to have a full-size bedroom and all the living area. I mean, really, you're coming in here for 3 reasons.
Yeah.
Use this, or use this. So
for the guys, it's the 3 S's.
Yeah. But really, just nice.
This is a nice
whisper quiet AC systems on it, which is good and bad. It's good because it's quiet, but if you like background noise when you sleep and stuff, that's what the box fan's for now.
Okay.
But we have lights in here. We have lights above our little LED lights above our bed.
Right.
So
nice.
Reading lights. So really, we couldn't ask for more.
It's really nice layout, nice colors.
Yeah. Like I said, we were very happy with this.
Well, I want to thank Robert for giving us this tour of this beautiful, beautiful fifth wheel. We hope you enjoyed it. And let's get back to the party. We have another cookout to go to. Yes, and more family and friends are coming to visit.
Oh boy. So you guys have a great day.
Let's do it.
You stare into my eyes and it makes you wonder, is she the one I'll take home? I stare right back at yours and it makes me wonder, why is he here all alone? I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best advice, just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby. I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby. It's getting late, but I'm only getting started. And now they're playing my song. You look at me and think, damn, she's broken hearted. But you could not be more wrong. I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best advice, just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it
Well,
goes.
we hope you enjoyed this video. It was a nice little family weekend. We look forward to maybe introducing you a little bit more to Michelle in the next one. She's a little camera shy, but that's all right. We'll catch her on the next one. And you still haven't met our nephew, Toby. So we look forward to seeing you again next week. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, ring the bell. You know what you're supposed to do with all that stuff. Until next week, see ya.
Bye.